𝐋𝐄𝐅𝐀𝐕𝐎𝐑. It's a hot air station for soldering S&D components, of course. I turned on that gun, heating gun. I seen a video of a guy, he was assessing build quality and safety of these. I don't think his one was LEFAVOR and his one had transformer inside. And my one has switching, self-oscillating, flyback power supply kind of thing. It has, I think, triac inside for pulsating heating element. I think is triac hope. I mean, it's the thing that it conducts in both directions the sine wave and it stays on. I think it's called triac. Anyway, LEFAVOR 858D. No, I don't think the brand is always LEFAVOR. I think they are changing brand more than their socks. And yeah, and that's the all. It has grounded housing, and I mean insulation distance inside is good, but I wouldn't bet on a transformer from a switching power supply that is. But I mean it's safe. It has ground. It's kind of a double insulated, I would say. It's good. It's good. Really good. It has CE even. If that's true, it's probably true. But this is a soldering gun. I was checking because at the beginning when I started it, it was smoking a little bit. Now it stopped smoking really quickly, so I think it was just some kind of residue somewhere in a heating element. And the one I bought was actually, I think, the cheapest one on AliExpress. I gone into that kind of with the mindset, if the housing looks like that, it's probably the same on the inside, and probably is. I mean, this is a pretty high quality model. You can see molding is not bad. It's a ventilator with rubber thing here. If you put it away, you can see a PCB. Of course, you have live and 12 volts and whatever. Yeah, it's powered with 12 volts. It's actually not 24 volt version. Because some older models of this 858D had 24 volt fan, and it was directly from a transformer. Probably there is some kind of linear regulator inside, or I don't know, I didn't look inside. I just seen it was good. The ground was crimped in wires with screws, and it was good with probably safety washers. And now strain relief on a cable is not really the best thing I've seen, but it's okay. You can see this is your this is your distance between live and other lower voltages, and also that it has hot, minus and plus. This is read sensor for magnet. You can see it's, I think, glued down with hot glue, which is not the best thing. It comes with it, but it's okay. Now get the ground here, the blue wire is just soldered. I don't know about that, if it's soldered here where it's like 400 degrees Celsius. What can I say? You can see there is a rubber or silicone, probably silicone. This is silicone. There is no heat sinks down there to hold these wires together. Would be nice. But overall, You know what, I can't see, these are Teflon coated wires probably, and they are, since they are stiffer, kind of springy ones. Of course they might be aluminum, but I think they are, like, by the way how finger slides down to them. So I don't know, it's not that bad actually, really not that bad. Oh, this is a ground actually, yeah. Blue wire for ground, I don't know. And then here is a yellow wire, so wiring is a little bit, how you doing, you know, colors are like, but yeah, I also got a replacement heating element with this one. I will link in a description what from what seller on AliExpress did I buy that one. I think it was cheapest together with shipping. Probably I was searching for a cheapest one, and it's also not the worst one. It's pretty decent one. Or are they all the same? Probably, might be. Who knows? So LEFAVOR 858D. Really cheap, and it works.